This delightful daisy lights up rooms wherever he goes. This little one gives constant kisses from her cone of love. This kitty turned her cone into a walking coupon. This merry man's mistletoe cone scores him kisses wherever he goes. This guy decided his cone was too tasty to ignore. This gal is trying out a new look. This dog enjoys theater quality sound. This little guy feels the pangs of unrequited love. This new spy school dog has a lot to learn before graduation. This Dracula kitty is all geared up for Halloween. This super cute snow cone belongs to the coolest guy on the block. This kitty is too sleepy for his cone. This unlikely couple uses this chance to enhance communication skills. This little lovebug transforms his cone of shame into a cone of class. This little Death Star wins best costume at every party. This little dude uses his plight to relate to others. This pup proudly channels the Pixar lamp. This adorable lady is the prettiest plant in the garden. This master of disguise assures you he just has a familiar face.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.